In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. Open your favorite web browser, type in the address, and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want to hide those completed tasks. Now that you're in your project, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little button that says Filter. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up a menu with various quick filter options for your view. Sometimes it's easy to get lost in all the tasks you have, so filtering can really help you focus on what needs to get done. In the list that appears, you should see an option labeled Incomplete Tasks. Click on that option. This will effectively hide all the tasks that have already been completed, leaving you with a clearer view of what still requires your attention. It's such a simple trick, but can make a world of difference in how you manage your workflow. Take a moment to verify that only the tasks you need to focus on are visible in your project table. You should now see a more streamlined list showing only the tasks that are incomplete. If it looks good to you, let's move on to saving this setup so you can easily access it later. Look for a small caret icon just next to the Save View button. Click on that caret and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option that says Save as a new tab. This will allow you to create a custom view tailored to your specific needs. Now it's time to give your new tab a clear and descriptive name. Type something like Incomplete Tasks. This way, whenever you want to focus on tasks that still need attention, you can easily find this tab without having to go through all the steps again. Once you've typed in the name, confirm your choice to finalize the new tab. And just like that, you've created a more organized workspace that helps you stay on top of your tasks. So there you have it. Now you know how to hide completed tasks in Asana, allowing for a much clearer focus on what you need to accomplish. Remember, keeping your projects organized can significantly boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I hope this makes your time in Asana a bit more enjoyable and streamlined. Happy task managing, and I'll see you in the next video.